Jaco! Ready?
Shit. It's perfect.
It does it?
Yeah. Even the closing.
Shit, that's amazing.
Isn't it crazy?
In the
Arm.
of a maker.
Hey guys, guess what? I can build with material other than pallet wood. European pallet wood. Wow, continuity. Well, you guys know this already, but I wear my 𝐸_TUNES OSHA compliant hearing protection and Bluetooth headphones in the shop all day, every day. Except for right now. And my favorite, the pair that I was wearing in this video, are the 𝐸_TUNES Pro, which just got an upgrade to the Pro 2.0, which has an additional 6 hours of battery life. They are now waterproof and dustproof and lots of other stuff that I definitely know all about. Also brand new are the 𝐸_TUNES Free, which are entirely free of wires. I wonder if that's where the name came from. They come with their own charging case and they pair with your phone as soon as you take them out of the case. So when you go grab your own pair, use the code Jackman10 at checkout and get $10 off. Any pair of headphones, links down below. So what's up with the change of scenery? Well, I visited my friend Giaco earlier in the year to build some stuff and hang out with him in his shop in Italy. If you haven't checked his channel out yet, you're seriously missing out. He's one of the few maker channels who's really inspired me to push my videos to the next level. And Giaco is the man behind the Maker Knife, a super sexy utility knife that he designed and manufactures. So really I had no choice but to create this beast. I built it at a 16 times scale, which when the blade is extended is about 8 feet long or so. So what's Giaco going to do with it? I'm back here, so it's his problem now. But that's it for this one. Thanks as always, and I'll see you next time.